everyone, this is Donna, the Technology and Media Librarian for Upper Arlington Public Library, with a video about using Hoopla. Now, Hoopla is one of our library's digital resources that allows you to borrow movies and music, audiobooks, comic books, and it is one of my favorite digital resources to use because it has so much available and because all of its content is available instantly. So there's no waiting, no holds list, no worrying that a book that you're trying to get for book club won't be available in time. Everything on Hoopla is borrow instantly and go. The reason that I'm doing this video today is that Hoopla has added a new search feature to its website and to its app that now allows you to search by category or by publisher. And this is really helpful because, and I spend a lot of time on Hoopla, as I said, it makes it a lot easier to find streaming content from creators that you like. And specifically that applies to two big content creators, Acorn and BBC. So British and international television series are huge at the library. They're huge in my household too, and a lot of times they're really hard to come by on DVD because they are so in demand. Now on Hoopla, where you can borrow television episodes instantly, it's much easier to find these Acorn and BBC television series for borrowing and for watching. So here's what you're going to need for this video. I've got my iPad with the Hoopla app installed. I'm signed into my Hoopla account on the app. So we're going to start on the home screen of the app. We're looking for the search button in the lower right corner of the screen. So go ahead and tap. Once you tap the search button at the top of your screen, you'll see a search bar, but more importantly, you'll see an advanced search button. And that's what we want to tap so that we can set our search parameters to include a publisher. You enter BBC or Acorn, as I'll show you in just a few moments, because Acorn and BBC are classified as publishers on Hoopla. So we'll enter that information in the publishers field, tap done, start our search, and here's where you're going to see results where the publisher's name matches BBC. Now, if you want to filter your results by format to make sure you get a BBC television series or a BBC movie, go ahead and tap that filter button and then tap format, and here you can select movies or television. Now, once you've done that, you'll see all of the results that fit your search criteria, and you'll also be able to then just tap on a television series and you'll get all of the title details. You'll see which episodes are available. You can browse the description. And as you're scrolling, you'll notice at the very bottom of all of the episode descriptions that BBC is listed as officially BBC Studios. So it says published by BBC Studios. You can tap that link to see the BBC results just from this screen as well. And then when you go back, you're ready to check out a title, tap the borrow button, and you're all set to borrow that episode instantly. This time we're going to search for Acorn rather than BBC. So we'll go back down to the search button and you'll see that the format is already pre-selected as television because that was my last search. Publisher is listed as BBC. I'm going to delete that out and type in Acorn, and then I'll tap search if I want to search for Acorn television, or I can go back and clear out that format section just to see everything that's available. I'm just going to do that now as if it were a regular search. We'll tap that blue search button, and then again, you'll see everything where the publisher comes up as Acorn. I can go back to my filter button, tap format, and say I just want Acorn television series. And here are the results for you. I'm going to select Agatha Raisin as my television series. If you're looking for a funny, cozy mystery, highly recommend this one for such a feel-good, fun mystery series. Again, same results. You can scroll through and get the descriptions of each episode as well as the show in general. And as you're scrolling through, you'll see at the very bottom, published by Acorn. Again, that's a tappable link. So if you tap on Acorn, you're going to see all of the results where Acorn is listed as the publisher. This is not the only way you can browse around for movies or television series on Hoopla. Rather than do a direct search, you can just browse by category or genre. It'll be listed as genre on the app, category on the website, just to see what sparks your interest. So to do that, we tap on the video button at the very bottom of the screen, and you'll see at the top you can toggle between movies or television. I'm going to select television, and then just tap this genres button on the right side of the screen. You'll see it just below the percentage on my battery. And here you can browse through television genres, and you'll see some that are very similar to Acorn or BBC, like Agatha Christie. You'll see British drama, and you can scroll through and take a look at these. Masterpiece Theater is going to be one listed. I know that those are hugely popular. And this genre browsing will also apply to the Movies tab, so you can always look around for things that are similar to what you're interested in from BBC or from Acorn. Now, just a couple of reminders before I sign off. The first is that you can check out up to 10 items on Hoopla per month, and that's calendar month. So your borrows will reset on the first of every month, and you can start new checkouts throughout that month. If you're not using an iPad with the Hoopla app installed, your screen is going to look a little different from mine, but whether you're using an Android, a Kindle Fire, or your computer's web browser, the search features on Hoopla will be the same. And of course, if you have any questions, run into any problems, or even if you'd like recommendations about what to watch on Hoopla, contact our media services department. Contact information is on the screen right below. I've also linked in the description to our Book a Librarian service if you'd like to schedule time with a staff member for assistance with Hoopla. Plus, there's some resources about using Hoopla, including a few special BBC collections that Hoopla's put together. So definitely check that out, and thank you for watching.